So I'll show you my items today. So we have here my Dark Necromancer. I currently have a DCD staff. Wish I could get a better flat roll, but you know, I keep on training dragons. It's not dropping it, so next time. And here we have a almost perfect DCD accessory. And I like this item, and I wish I could get a CDE with this in the future. I will try to get CDE. And here I have my Pure Wizard. I'm still using the DCD staff from the First World Colonies. Still haven't found a DCDL staff, but you know, just gonna keep hitting dragons. And here we actually have a perfect DCD accessory. I have a perfect one here. So, and this is the Zeus. And I'm really happy I got this item. A triple critical accessory. I wish that this archer range could be cooldown, but it's triple cooldown anyway, so I'll still take it. And here we have my Dark Lightning Archer with these lines. It's decent, but I wish this lightning damage could be hit, like one hit chance and one hit damage, but alright, it's the best that I have. And here we have two lightning damage lines and boss damage lines and runes, as you can see. And we have my Dark Hunter. We got a DCD bow, not a flat modifier though. I can't get one because I'm unlucky. But here, my DCD accessory, I have a DCD with the flat roll modifier. But I wish I could get it too, but you know, it's still DCD. Here we have a DCD bow and another DCD accessory. Assassin, a DCD with the slash +1 rune. And here we got double attack speed and cooldown because I cannot find a DCD for my Dark Assassin. And here is my Blue Defender, which I currently use with damage skill +1 harm hammer and another damage skill +1 accessory. Here we have my Chrono, a DCD with crit damage skill +1 and a DCD with Iron. And here is my Dark Wizard. It's not a DCD, but it's the best I could use. It also has attack speed, so it also boosts my Dark Wizard. And here I do got a DCD, but not a flat roll modifier. And here we got my Slingers, which I have stun chance +1 summon in NCDE, which is a very useful item for me. And here I got double stun chance, which is very good, and I think this is a perfect roll I have here. And here I have Dorothy, I have CDE, another CDE line. And here I got my third CDE line with also stun chance and +1 summon unit. And here I've got Smith with a DCD and also another DCD accessory. And then here with my Crown Archers as one of my main damage dealers, I have a crit damage and crit chance. But I wish that, you know, if this crit chance was like either damage or crit damage, because it's just better. And in here I got damage and crit damage with also attack speed rune. So yeah, that's for my waving build. And here we go to my colonies. I use the physical build that Laku can give, and this is my infinite colony level. It's very high, and I do have a DCD for it, so yeah. And this is my dragon build, using the physical build with Dark Bowmaster with different items, because well, the other items of my Dark Lightning Archer is using lightning damage, so yeah. And here we have my gold build, which I sometimes use, but I'm still missing a few skill notes like Ace, the defense, and the Ice Tree notes. So yeah, Forgot to show, but yeah, this is my skill tree for the lightning fab build that I've been using. So we have here for lightning tree, and then up here I get these archer trio notes. Then here I get the strafe notes and the town archer notes and the defense. And here I got town archer, the buffs and items and the orb. And here I'm trying to get the ice tree to get the point bone increase of crit chance, and then eventually I want to get the sword note here and along with this slow chance increase. So yeah, this is the build. This is my build currently looks like in a wave, and you know, I'm satisfied with it. I can do the wave okay. I can do it stably, but yeah, I wish I could get better items. Eventually, I want to able to be fully stabilize the Devil Horn 3 Gab build, so I can not only skip 4 waves but also get a profit with using gold auto battery. So with that, here's my build, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.